Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, good morning student. How are you today? I hope today you are all fine. So, today we're gonna learn about expression of understanding. Do you know what is expressions of checking understanding? Well, in our bahasa Indonesia, itu artinya berarti kita mempelajari mengenai ungkapan-ungkapan bagaimana mengecek kembali apakah orang tersebut mengerti apa yang kita katakan atau yang kita bicarakan. So in English, it used to check or to ask if someone understand or not what we are saying. Okay, now here are some examples of some expressions of checking of understanding. For number one, for example, do you understand what I'm saying? Indonesia, apakah kamu mengerti apa yang saya katakan? For the second one, do you know what I mean? Apakah kamu tahu apa yang saya maksud? Do you know what I'm saying? Apakah kamu tahu apa yang saya katakan? For the fourth, do you know what I'm talking about? Apakah kamu tahu apa yang saya bicarakan? Do you get my point? Apakah kamu paham apa maksudku? Do you understand? Apakah kamu paham? Are you following me? Atau do you following me? Apakah kamu paham? Are you with me? Apakah kamu paham? Have you got it? Apakah kamu mengerti? Any question? Ada pertanyaan? Is it clear? Apakah ini jelas? Now, here are some expressions of showing understanding. Jadi, ini beberapa contoh ketika kita ingin mengungkapkan kita paham apa yang mereka maksud atau yang mereka katakan kepada kita. For example, number one, I understand what you are saying. Saya paham apa yang kamu bicarakan. I know what you mean. Saya paham apa yang kamu maksud. I know what are you talking about. Saya tahu apa yang kamu bicarakan. I understand. Saya paham. I see. Saya paham. I get it. Saya paham. I know. Itu juga menyatakan kalau saya paham dan saya mengerti. I'm with you. Saya mengerti maksudmu. I hear what you are saying. Saya paham apa yang kamu maksud. I got your point. Saya paham maksudmu. Yes, I know. Ya, saya paham. So, here are some expressions of lack understanding. For example, number one, I don't get it. Saya tidak paham. I don't follow you. Saya tidak sepaham denganmu. I am not sure I get your point. Saya tidak yakin saya memahamimu. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Maafkan saya tidak mengerti. What are some expressions or some conversations that I'm not following you when English rings a bell? Jadi ini adalah beberapa contoh yang ada di buku paket atau buku panduan bahasa Inggris kita ya anak ya. Yang kita pakai adalah when English rings a bell. For example, this is between teacher and student. Ini percakapan yang terjadi di antara guru dan anak. Do you know what I mean? Yes, sir. Jadi yang manakah yang menunjukkan kalau menanyakan atau checking for understanding? Kalimat gurunya tadi. Do you know what I mean? Itu adalah ungkapan untuk menanyakan apakah kita paham ataukah orang itu paham atau tidak. Percakapan nomor 2 for the second conversation. This is between Siti and Intan. Siti, do you understand the story? Well, not really. She speaks very fast. Jadi, can you guess percakapan ini mengandung apa? Apakah like, understanding, apakah understand, ataukah baru checking? Ya, betul sekali. Berarti ini dia mau ngecek dulu yang si Intan tadi. Do you understand the story? Apakah kamu tahu mengenai cerita itu? Sedangkan Siti menjawab not really. So it means not really means that Siti don't understand about that story. Yeah, so it can be makes a big difference. And this one also teacher and students. Is it clear? Yes, ma'am. Which one is checking for understanding? Yes, you are right. Is it clear? Jawabannya yes, ma'am. It means that they are understand atau the students are understand. And the fourth conversation is, do you understand my questions? So the student will say, no ma'am, sorry. Say that again, please. So the student is answer they don't understand whenever the teacher say what. Okay? And here are another example of checking understanding. Gilang, if you want go out, please use mask and always wash your hand. So Gilang said, I don't get it. I can't hear your voice clearly. And well, what I'm saying is, please use mask and always wash your hand whenever you go out. Gilang said, oh, I see. Thank you. So student, I think that's all about my explanations about expression of checking understanding. Jadi cukup sekian penjelasan mem mengenai materi kita hari ini adalah bagaimana cara untuk mengecek kembali apakah orang itu paham dengan apa yang kita katakan. Ya, thank you for your attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye. See you.